This section of the exam focuses on your ability to analyze the passage in relationship to other materials and ideas. This section consists of basic, standard, and expanded question types. The picture below depicts Homer invoking or calling on the muse to assist in the presentation of the Odyssey. Number 19. It can be inferred that Homer is represented by the helmet, the man playing the harp on the right, represented by the shield, or the woman playing the harp on the left. Number 20. Ancient Greek poetry was not written down on paper. It was told by word of mouth. What can one infer about the telling of poetry in ancient Greece from the graphic? Ancient Greek poetry had an emotional element. Ancient Greek poetry had a musical element. Ancient Greek poetry had a humorous element, or ancient Greek poetry had a visual element. Number 21. What can one infer from the passage in the graphic about the status of poetry in ancient Greek culture? That poetry was just for entertainment and fun, that poetry was for religious purposes only, that poetry was not important to the ancient Greeks, or that poetry was considered to be a sophisticated art form. The following is an excerpt from a poem by Lord Alfred Tennyson in 1833 called Ulysses, which is the Roman spelling of Odysseus. He writes, "We are not now that strength which in old days moved earth and heaven. That which we are, we are. One equal temper of heroic hearts, made weak by time and fate, but strong in will to strive, to seek, to find, and not to yield." Number 22. What is the main idea of the excerpt from Ulysses? Strength of will is sometimes the most important. Time and fate are in control. Physical strength is necessary for success. Or it's okay to be weak. Number 23. Which statement best highlights the similarity between the passage from the Odyssey and the excerpt from Ulysses? Both Odysseus and the speaker of Ulysses believe in peace and quiet. Both believe in determination and perseverance. Both believe in the past and tradition, or both believe in equality and love. Number 24. Which phrase from Ulysses best supports Odysseus' status as a hero? Strong in will, to strive, to seek, to find, and not to yield. Made weak by time and fate. We are not now that strength which in old days moved earth and heaven. Or, that which we are, we are. Choose your answers and click next.